Hello, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you doing today? On the video today, I want to unbox and review the Samson G-Track Pro pop filter. One of the things I realized was that when I make my audio for the videos I produce, I have a lot of pops, which makes my audio peak and sound very annoying to my listeners. And this is a bit of, hardware that was hard to get. It's little and it's not that expensive, but it's really hard to get. I live in London and it was almost impossible to actually get this on Amazon in the UK, Amazon in the US. So I had to go on eBay in the UK and order it through the US market to get it to the UK. It took about 20 days thereabout to get there, but that's sorry for another day. But of course, I wanted to show the difference of me using the pop filter compared to not using the pop filter. So all the audio you're hearing right now is actually coming via the pop filter to the Samson G-Track Pro. Previously, you probably would have had a lot of boo sounds and a lot of picky audio, which would probably have been sounding annoying to your ears right now. But right now that I have the pop filter on, that is no longer the case, because that is protecting the microphone against all the plosives coming from my mouth to the microphone. And that's really what I wanted to show in the video today. It cost about $14 thereabout on eBay, but the shipping cost is what it's almost the same as the price for actually getting it along, plus postage stamp and all that, roughed up to about $44 to get it here to the UK. But hey, I think it's really worth it in the final end, because my audio sounds much more better now, and I can say a lot of P's and B's and P's and B's and P's and B's without having the fear of annoying my audiences with the plosives that come from my mouth. And now I'm going to show you what the audio looks like without a pop filter, and then get the pop filter back on it, and then you will judge the difference for yourself. This is what I sound like without the pop filter. This is what I sound like without the pop filter. It's a blue, beautiful day. It's a very nice one. I am very proud of my achievement. This is what I sound like with the pop filter. This is what I sound like with the pop filter. It's a blue, beautiful day. I am very proud of my achievements. I'll drop the link to purchase this on eBay in the description section below, and you can check that out. If you like this video, please let me know. Let me know what you think about the Samson G-Track Pro pop filter, and if you're using it, or if you use another kind of pop filter for your Samson G-Track Pro, or if you'll be purchasing any other kind of pop filter in the future. I hope you like this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so if you enjoy the content I post, so you can get notified when I post new videos on this channel. Till I come your way again with another video, stay safe and goodbye.